Times Square.
Look, everybody, how you doing? This is Dr. Phil Joyce, and I ran into this gentleman. He's walking in my old community. This is where they exiled me from, and this is exactly what I want to say to everybody. And this is the guy that's the hottest guy in town because he's got the hottest shirt in town. Tell me the story behind this one, brother.
Yeah, it was just in one point I was a security guard around Times Square, and then it was a very nice store, but they had very interesting T-shirts around in there, and then I bought this T-shirt from there.
That's beautiful. That's exactly what I want to say to everybody. Guess what? New York will do this to you in this city.
Nice to meet you.
Thank you, brother. All right. Bye-bye. All right. This is Dr. Phil Joyce, and you know I bring you the news, wherever it is, whatever it is, whatever it's about. Thank you very much. You have a nice day. Bye-bye. New York fucking City is what that T-shirt said, and I'm leaving Jamaica. I'm out of here. Thank you. You can keep this piece of crap out here. Bye-bye.